Come with me as I unpack my order from Temu. This time around, Temu did not Temu me, rather, na me Temu. Haha. First of all, this is an outfit I got for my son. It fits in so perfect as you can see in the video. I got it very well. If you must shop from Temu, you must learn to always check on the comment section. Not only checking on what people are saying, you also click on each of those comments to go to their own video that they have posted to show a review of how those outfits appear on their children they bought it from. This is how I was able to get this outfit for my children, and it fit perfectly well. The other one was a ball gown for my daughter, and this other one was a two-piece for my daughter as well. I got a sewing machine. This sewing machine, I was able to use it once. I've never used it again. I've never tested the usefulness. Then this is a tape that you use to cover your net that you store. My children used to poke on my net, so I use this to cover it to avoid mosquitoes. Then this is a brush that you use to wash a part your children's or your own cup that has a straw. Use it to wash. I got this beautiful bag from Temu. Oh my god, this bag is a banger. It's very nice. I got panties as well. I got hanger that I use in my bathroom. I got this brush holder in my bathroom. I use it to cover my brush so that your brush, they made us to understand that your brush is supposed to be kept in that way so that the water will drop. We don't need to cover it to avoid bacteria. This is an eyeglasses that I got. It fits perfectly on me. I love it so much. It's a Blu-ray. Then this other one is a basket for bathroom where I keep my soaps, my everything that I need in the bathroom. Then again, I got jewelry from them. I must advise, if you want to get jewelry, do not try to get the cheaper ones from Temu, because Temu will use it to Temu you. I regretted all the jewelries I got from Temu. Almost all of them are bad. I even have to seek for a refund. They refunded some broke while I even tried to wear or test them. I even have to get a refund on it because the jewelry did not make sense at all. I did not enjoy my jewelry, except some few that I got on a higher price. I was able to enjoying it. And this is a pantyhose. I got the pantyhose. I got some rings as well. I got this earpod as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.